Welcome to our latest AI feature overview. Today we're looking at QueryForge. It's our natural language analytics engine that lets you get answers from your data without waiting for a specialist, learning SQL, or wrestling with reports. You tell it what you need in plain language, and it turns that into real, usable results in seconds. What makes QueryForge especially valuable is that your data never leaves your system. The AI only reads the database metadata so it can understand your structure and build the right queries. It never ingests your records, never stores them, and never sends anything outside your environment. You stay fully in control of your data while giving your team a powerful way to work with it. In this demo, we're showing QueryForge inside Guardian, although the same experience is available across our other platforms. If you want faster insight, fewer bottlenecks, and the ability to explore your data on your own terms, this is built for you. It all starts by creating a new report. The setup is minimal. All we need is the intent behind the request. For this example, we want observation data from the last 30 days. We type a simple instruction, provide the observation data for the last 30 days. Then we convert it. QueryForge reads the metadata dictionary for this environment, interprets the data model, and generates the SQL needed to pull the correct dataset. It understands the tables, the relationships, the naming conventions, and all the structural pieces that tend to slow people down. Once the SQL is ready, we run the query. The results load immediately, and we can preview the rows to confirm they match what we asked for. If you want the data outside the system, exporting it is instant. PDF, Excel, CSV, or a direct web link for BI tools. You're never locked in. QueryForge pushes the data wherever you need it. Here's how it looks in Power BI. We select Get Data from Web, paste the export link, and Power BI pulls the report directly from the source. From here, you can build any visual your team wants. If you prefer another tool, the workflow is the same. There's also a workflow for teams that prefer everything inside the application. QueryForge powers dashboard creation too. Instead of configuring charts by hand, you simply ask for the view you want. Here we'll add a new dashboard view and type, "Show me the observation data from the last 30 days as a bar chart grouped by observation title." QueryForge finds the right report and builds the visualization automatically. As your platform grows, the metadata dictionary grows with it. Our team keeps it updated so QueryForge can continue interpreting new fields and relationships without extra configuration from your side. Dashboards, exports, and BI integrations from a single request. It gives your team the clarity and independence they need to answer their own questions. To learn more, send us a message to set up a QueryForge consultation. Thanks for watching.